In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chat spaces in Google Workspace. A space in Google Chat is a focused hub where teams collaborate in threads, share files, and keep conversations organized. By the end, you'll have a new space setup, members invited, roles managed, and helpful details and integrations in place. First, open your browser and head to chat.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google Workspace account so you see the correct options under your organization. On the left, find the Spaces section and choose Find a space to join. In the panel that opens, select Create a Space. This is your starting point for setting up a dedicated place for a project, department, or topic. Enter a clear, descriptive name for the space. Good names make it easy for people to recognize why the space exists. Next, pick an emoji for the space. This small touch helps the space stand out visually in the sidebar, and consistent emoji choices across your org can make navigation quicker. When you're happy with the name and emoji, click Create. You now have a space ready for collaborators. Let's add people. Use the Add Members option inside the space. In the field provided, type the email addresses of the colleagues you want to include. Be mindful that your organization's settings may control whether you can invite people outside your domain. When your list looks right, click Add to send the invitations and grant access. Now let's look at settings. At the top of the space, open the drop-down next to the space title. Choose Manage Members. Here you can adjust roles, typically between manager and member, so the right people can moderate, change settings, or just participate. You'll also see an invited section that lists anyone who hasn't joined yet, which is helpful for nudging pending invitations. Back in the settings panel, select Space Details. Add a concise description or simple guidelines outlining the space's purpose, posting norms, or links to key resources. This context helps new members get up to speed quickly. When you're done, click Save so your updates take effect. Finally, open Apps and Integrations. From here, you can connect approved apps, bots, or webhooks to streamline workflows. Think task creation, status updates, or alerts. Subject to your admin's policies. Start with tools your team already uses to keep things simple. That's it. You've created a space, invited your team, tuned roles, documented the purpose, and explored integrations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more organized conversation